So, kita nyo naman, meron ng kumot kasi, tingnan nyo yun, may aircon kami. Partida naka 20, pinakamalakas 16. Mag-sprint nga ako, ang bagal ko. Ay, wala. 8 Robux na lang ako. Bibili ko kasi ng kung ano-ano. Would you rather
have a random hairstyle or be entirely bald?
I would rather.
Look at this dude. Look at his hair.
What?
What the heck?
Ang ganda naman ng hair ko
Ang ganda nung akin.
Ganda naman Sabi, look at this dude. Would you
rather be way too tall or be too short?
Tall ka na, too short ka na.
I would rather tall.
Would you rather wear a tutu or be an egg for 15 seconds?
I would rather be an egg. Gusto ko magiging egg. Ayoko mag-wear ng tutu. For 50 seconds lang naman. Sino mag-wear niya? Siyempre, babae.
Ako magtututo.
Iyo, bahala kayo. Ayoko magtutu. Okay lang.
Would you rather save the babies or save the cookie?
Hoy, ba't ka tumawa? Siyempre, sasave ko yung baby. Ayaw ko kaya ng cookie.
Adak. May ano pa, VIP pa.
Siyempre, sasave ko yung baby. Ba't ko sasave yung cookie? Ano naman gagawin ng cookie? Mga demonyo lang pumipili ng cookie.
Oo nga, mga gutom lang kumakain.
Would you rather have
Would you rather have 1 Robux beggar or have 5 Robux beggars?
Wag na. Isang Robux na lang. Hindi ko kayo bibigyan.
Robux, come on, bro.
Ayoko,
I want to buy
ayoko.
a new avatar.
Ayoko.
Would you rather have a
Ang ingay!
freeze?
Robux, please.
Dapat pala
Come on, don't be a brokey.
Ayoko. Ano bang brokey?
Come on, bro.
Kung manghihingi ka lang.
Buy a new avatar.
Ayoko nga, ayoko nga.
Don't ignore me now. I'm going to get angry.
I don't care if you're angry,
Robux,
bro.
please. Come on, don't be a brokey.
Would you rather save your friends or 6-7?
Come on, bro. I want to buy a new app.
Would you rather save
6-7?
6-7?
I will not save 6-7. Demon yan. Sasave ko yung friends ko. Siyempre, friends ko yun.
Hala, inahabol nila ako!
Ba't nag-stop? Ano nangyari? Or would you? I would rather save my friends.
Robux, please.
Ano ba? Kanina pa yan eh. Ay, pagka ako napili ko si 6-7.
Akin nila!
Sige, patay si 6-7.
Don't ignore me
Pag
now.
ako napili
I'm
ko
going
yung
to get
price, lagot
angry.
talaga kayo sa akin.
Wala akong pake kung angry ka na.
Don't be a brokey.
I'm very angry.
Robux, come on,
I'm
bro.
Would
stuck.
you rather
I wanna buy
eat
a new
cheeseburger
Ano ba?
or be stuck in detention?
Sasapakin ko kayo.
Ayoko kaya maging
Don't be a
dissension.
brokey.
Magdi-dissension ako.
Come on, bro.
Wala na akong Robux!
Avatar.
Wala na akong robot. Wala na akong robot.
Don't
Natrap
ignore
na
me
yung
now.
kapatid ko.
I'm going to get angry.
Wala akong pake kahit maging angry ka. Ano, wala ni Begar! Yay!
Ba't yung akin wala?
Ha? Ewan ko sa'yo.
Would you rather own an annoying chicken or own an annoying cow?
Ano yung chicken? Ito, malaki to. Ayoko niyan. Gusto ko ng chicken.
Dapat pala isa lang eh.
Ayoko tang ipid. Sige na nga, ipid na kita. Kailangan pa ng Robux? Ano ba yan?
Kuya, habulin ka yan.
Ayoko, wala akong pakidyan.
Would you rather be an e-girl or shrink down 75%?
Anong question yan? Siyempre, magsishrink ako. Ayoko mag-eagle.
Wala mo, wala ko to. Uy, siksikin niya ako, sige.
Gagi, napakaliit. Sound the boy, wala na akong pakidya sa girl. Sound
Would you
the boy.
rather sound like a boy or
Boy
sound
naman
like a
talaga.
girl?
Ayo. Siyempre, boy. Ano ba? Napakalaki ng chicken
Try
ko.
typing in
Tulong.
chat to hear your voice.
Hello?
Gagi, napakalaki ng chicken.
Wait lang. Wala na akong voice chat. Ba yun?
Would you rather have banana arms or banana legs?
Banana legs.
Banana arms. Paano ko makakalakad?
Paano ko makakakain?
Banana.
Ohayo. Ba't ganun? Banana.
Would you rather have a homeless man follow you or have a crying baby follow you?
Homeless.
Bakit haba baby following you? Hindi pa yung mga kalakad. Siyempre, wag muna yung baby. Homeless na lang. Kawawa yung baby.
Swirly, swirly lollipop.
Gagi, nasa likod mo. Napakaliit eh.
Please give me lollipop. Swirly, swirly lollipop.
I would
Would you
rather be
rather
skinny.
be fat or be skinny?
Gusto ko skinny, skinny,
Would you
skinny.
rather be fat or be skinny?
But,
Swirly, swirly
skinny
lollipop.
nga. Skinny,
Give me
skinny.
lollipop.
Wala ka pa rin dito.
Wala pa. Yung mga nagdodonate dito.
Watch the...
Would you rather watch the duck song or complete an obby?
Ayoko mag-OB. Nahihirapan na nga. Nahihirapan na nga ako mag-choose. Tapos pa-OB-an niya pa. What the fuck is that? What the? Napakaliit ako. Di ko makano. Alis na ako dito eh. Ako na dito. Wala. Mama! Wala na ako labasan. Mama! 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 Tulong! Mama! Mama, tulong! Mama! Hindi ako makalabas dito. Ano labasan?
Mami, mga Robux pa yun.
Diba hindi wala nang labasan? Hindi na ako makalabas. So guys, pinost ko muna kasi hindi ako makaalis doon. Would you
Would
rather...
you rather grow dragon wings or grow angel wings?
Would you rather brain rot rain or taco rain?
Of course, taco. So, yan ang taco.
It's raining tacos from out of the sky. Tacos, no need to ask why. Just open your mouth and close your eyes. It's
Wala. Wala ka ba dito? Ang tagal
Wala
mo.
pa.
Nandito na ako sa next stage.
Piliin ko pa lang yung tigger.
Would you rather save a bacon or save ano? Pareho lang sila, di ba, Ashley?
Would you rather save a noob or save a bacon?
Save a ano? Napakaingay.
Yung noob na lang, umiiyak eh.
Sumisigaw lang yung noob eh. Ay, yung ano, yung...
Bacon.
Pareho lang naman silang noob eh. Bye-bye. Kaya mo na yan, malakas ka na. Would you rather say mom or dad?
Yes,
Mahirap na question to ah. Pwede bang both na lang? Pwede atang both na lang.
I will skip this video.
Would you rather be rich or famous? Famous.
Would you rather be rich or be famous?
Famous talaga. Famous.
One more
Smile for the fans.
Oh, yay!
Smile for the
Sige,
fans.
picturean nyo na ako.
One more for the cover.
Smile for the fans.
Sabi, marami nagpipicture sa akin. Famous na ako.
Smile for the fans.
Pipicturean nyo lang ako.
Smile for the fans. Smile for the fans.
Smile for the fans daw.
Smile for the fans. Smile for the fans. Smile for the fans.
Kagi, nabuwal na.
Would you rather be BFFs with a bacon or be BFFs with a noob? Would you rather be BFFs with a bacon or be BFFs with a noob?
Tingnan natin kung magkano Robux yung VIP.
You and me sitting in a tree as happy as best friends can be.
9? Ubus na Robux ko dyan. Papagalitan ako ni mama. Would you rather be? Ang hirap mag-decide.
Watch the snaps of
Noob na lang. Kawawa
Bestie,
naman.
best
yun.
friend, BFF for life. Let's hang out today and forever. Hey, bestie, you are my best friend.
Pati yung leave me alone. May Robux pa.
Bestie. Hey,
Ayoko.
You and wanna play today?
Would you rather walk on
You and me
Legos
sitting in a tree
or
as
walk
happy as
on
best
hot
friends can be.
coals?
Bestie, best friend, BFF for life. Let's hang out
Siyempre,
today and
Rego,
forever.
sala nga namang
Hey, bestie,
walk
you
on
are my
hot
best
coals.
friend.
Maano pa pa ako, ayan, Legacy, hindi naman masakit yan.
Bestie, wanna play today?
Sa American,
You and me sitting in a
nightmare
tree
para
as
sa
happy as
kanila
best
yan.
friends can be.
Pero sa
Bestie, best
Philippines,
friend,
hindi.
BFF for life.
O
Let's
na nga,
hang out
BFF.
today and forever. Hey, bestie, you
Oh.
are my best friend. BESTIE, bestie. Hey, bestie.
Ano
wanna
ba?
play?
Leave me alone,
Wanna
give
play
me
today?
alone.
Play? You and me sitting in a tree as happy as best friends can be. Bestie, best friend,
Ang ingay pala ng
BFF
move.
for life.
Paano
Let's
pa kaya
hang out
kung
today
chinus ko
and
yung
forever.
bacon?
Hey, bestie, you are my best friend. BESTIE, bestie. Hey.
you grow out in
Would you listen to jazz music or listen to elevator? Jazz.
Would you rather listen to jazz music or
Jazz.
listen to elevator music?
ako elevator.
Mag-SMR muna ka. Ay, wag na pala. Anyway. Ganda naman pala nung kay Jazz.
Would you rather like the game or make all the devs cry?
Like the game, syempre. Ayaw ko umiyak kaya yung mga devs.
They will cry if you don't like it. Like the game. Like it.
Na-like ko na. Diba sabi mo like?
Would you rather smash a glass bottle on your head or get stuck in the void for 20 seconds?
Pero tingin nyo gusto ko yung dalawa na yan. Sa tingin nyo gusto ko yan. Sa tingin nyo gusto ko yan. Ayoko yung dalawa na yan. Void na lang. Wala naman nakakatakot. 20 seconds lang yun. Nakakatakot. Ipikit na lang ako kung mapupunta ako sa void. Ipikit na lang ako ganito. Sasabi ko, Mama! Oy, 20 seconds na. Ang tagal naman.
Be rich, be famous. Ano ba ang pinili?
Would you
Siyempre.
rather save your first friend or save your second friend?
Sino ba yung first friend ko?
Yung bacon na babae.
Hindi, iba. Iba yung iniisip ko eh. First best friend. Alam ko na kung sino yung best. Save. Siyempre. Ito ba yung first best friend? Ito. First best friend ko, si JM. Kung napapanood mo to, JM, mag-like and subscribe ka na, boy. Huwag niyong pakinggan yun. Ate ko lang yun. Ang ingay niya talaga. Would you rather
Would you
eat
rather eat Brussels sprouts or eat baked beans?
beans? Susuka ko na lang. Ew! Hell no! Would you rather be able to crawl, run super fast? Super fast alangan.
Would you rather be able to crawl or run super fast?
Super fast alangan. Sino mapipili ng crawl? Meow, meow, meow. Maisip ko kagas yung meso. Oh, tatalon lang ako. Diba? Kailangan naman mag-crawl ako. Di mahirapan ako.
Would you rather have a huge head or have a tiny head?
Ang hirap naman ng question na to. Big head na lang. Kailangan ng big head.
Would you rather fall out of the sky or get hit by a train?
Saan ba ako mamatay? Popol ako sa sky, tapos pupunta ako dito sa may baba. Sasaldak yung likod ko. Mawawala yung final score ko. Gusto mo yan? Gusto mo yan? Gusto mo yan? Gusto mo yan? Walang fall sa tree. Walang fall sa tree. Wala akong parachute. Kung makokontrol ko lang yung parachute, edi sana ano na ako. Ayoko mahit din sa tree. Fall sa sky na lang. Sorry, gusto na akong patayin. Ayoko. Hindi na ako ta best friend. Bahala ka dyan. Mag-isa ka dyan. Huwag paano makalis dito. Hindi na kita best friend, Ashley. Gusto pala akong... Saan ako bababa? Malay mo. Bumaba ako sa pinakamalaking ano. Ba't ang tagal? Nandito ko na din, oh. Pero di kita makita. Bastos nun. Oy, paano makababa? Dat pala hit by train na lang. Kahit ayaw ko. Ba't ayaw? Reset nga ako. Yun, nag-reset na. Ano na? Would you rather eat a toilet? Hell na! Rotten milk? Saka eat toilet. So guys, dito na nagtatapos ang video natin. Kung hindi nyo pa nakikita ang like and subscribe, ito ang subscribe. Ayan na, oh. Pindutin mo na lang. Ganunin mo, sampalin mo, ganunin mo. Kahit anong gawin mo. But smash that subscribe. Okay?
Okay.
Kikita tayo bukas.